Hi guys, so welcome to another episode of my video, and today I have something totally different. Today I want to show you how to earn money online just by watching movies on Netflix. Guys, this is crazy. If you look at my screen very well, you're going to see that this particular person right here is earning from $1,400 to $23,000 every month with this particular method. This other person also right here is also earning at least from $5,000 to $82,000 monthly with this particular method. Guys, this is crazy. This particular person right here is just starting, and this person is making over $600 to $10,000 every single month with this particular method. Guys, now we don't even want to talk about the yearly earnings. Let's just go with the monthly earnings. I want to show you how you can use the same process and earn cool cash for yourself every single day and every single month. Guys, now you need to note that this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not something you get rich quick. This is a process that takes time, and this is something that can earn you steady money in this particular economy. So if you're interested, well, just pay attention, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel for more make money online content coming your way. Guys, well, let's get right in. I started using Netflix in 2022. That is when I created my Netflix account. And the truth there is that I did not really know that you can earn money with Netflix. I've watched some of my favorite TV shows on Netflix. Some of the movies on Netflix are nice. And the thing is that I never knew that you can actually use this particular Netflix that I'm using to watch movies to actually earn more money for yourself. I want to show you guys what I discovered, because I just discovered this method newly, but I think this is something that I've been around for a while now, and it can help you to watch different TV shows, different movies, some of your favorite movies, and you actually make money. Guys, one of my favorite TV shows right here is this particular TV show right here called The Big Bang Theory. I know it might seem boring, but it's one of my favorite TV shows of all time, guys, and I've watched this over and over and over again based on how calm and entertaining it is. So you can actually check it out. But the thing is that I could have used this particular TV show to make more money for myself if I knew what I'm about to teach you right now. So that's why I'm teaching you, so that now that I've recommended it for you, if you go and watch it, you can actually use it to also earn more money for yourself. So calm down and let me explain. In this particular video, we are going to be covering some topics. Number one, how to set up your Netflix account. Number two, where to actually get this movie clips so that you can use it to make this money. And number three, how you can actually earn this money. So I'm going to be breaking them down one after the other. First of all, if you want to set up your Netflix account, so once you search for Netflix right here, it's going to open up. So go ahead and click on it. Now, based on your country, I don't know if Netflix is available in your location. So once you click on Netflix right here, it's going to open and you set up your account. You need to know that Netflix is not free. Netflix is not free, so you have to use the pro version, but they actually have a cheaper version where you can use, and that cheaper version can only work on your mobile device. But you can use their pro version, the higher packages. So just go with the one you can afford. You can start with the one of like 1,000 something, you understand? So you can go ahead and watch these movies. They need to be new movies, trending movies. It can also help you earn more money, guys. For example, let's come down to Netflix and look for Squid Game, guys. Now Squid Game just came out newly, and it's actually trending right now. Calm down and go through the movie very well. So how can you earn money with this particular method? Now this particular method right here is actually called movie reviews. It's called movie reviews. This is the method that so many people are using to earn a lot of money that I never knew actually existed. How does this work? What you do is just you watch movies and you actually review them on social media to earn a lot of money for yourself, guys. So this is it. For example, this particular person right here is called Jeremy Jane. What this person does is that he watches movies, different movies. He comes down here, he reviews them, he talks about this movie. The oldest video on his channel right here is like years ago, and he can also see that the most popular video right here is 5 years ago, which is 3.2 million views, and he can see that his latest video right here actually give him 11,000 views 1 hour ago. Guys, this is crazy. Guys, this is so crazy, and this guy is making a whole lot of money from reviewing movies. What you do is that you go to Netflix, you watch movies, you understand the movies. So that is step one. Step two, you come down here, you create a YouTube channel, or you create a Facebook page, or you create a TikTok account, anyone that is going to be easier for you. I'm going to prefer a YouTube channel because I'm kind of more familiar with YouTube monetization than the other ones. Create a YouTube channel for yourself. And step three, you need footages for this particular reviews to work. For example, and see that this is a footage from the movie. So what you do is that you look for ways to get this footage. You can get this footage from YouTube just like this, but sometimes it might have a low quality. And another website you can use to get this footage is called Goojara.2. It's being spelled Goojara.2. Goojara. So that is the name of the site. You use it to get different movie footages for your reviews, guys. It's very simple. Now you need to know that this is a movie review, so you don't have to be playing the movies very long. If not, you're going to be getting a copyright strike or anything related to copyright. Try to avoid copyright by actually creating a value for the movie. So what you do is that come down here, these three guys right here, you can actually go through their channel and learn from them, and you see how they actually review their movies. Like this person right here, this person also have over 2 million subscribers on YouTube, and he's making a lot of cash from these guys. So you can come down here and learn from these guys how to actually review this movie. I told you before, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes time for you to earn this money. Now let's talk about how to set up your YouTube channel. For you to make money on YouTube, you have to monetize your channel. And for you to monetize your channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, these particular criteria need to be met if you want to earn money from YouTube. Most of you are going to say, okay, I don't know much about YouTube, so how can I learn more about YouTube? Well, if you want to learn more about YouTube, I'm not going to sell you a course because I've never bought any course about YouTube before. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to recommend a channel for you. Now, this particular channel right here is called Video IQ. Video IQ, it's a YouTube channel that teaches you everything about YouTube, how to create your YouTube channel, how to customize your YouTube channel, how to upload videos better, how to create good thumbnails, how to put good titles, good descriptions, and also how to grow your channel. So if you want to learn on how to grow your channel, check out this channel on YouTube called Video IQ, guys. These are YouTube partners. They can help you to grow your channel on YouTube. You learn from them. That is why this takes a lot of time, guys. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but this is a calm side hustle that can fetch you good money every single day, every single month. Come down here and go through Video IQ. And another channel I can actually recommend for you is this particular one right here called Think Media. Think Media is going to help you to grow on YouTube, but it's also going to help you different gears you need to record your videos. If you want to start with your phone, different lights to buy your setup, and every other thing, Think Media is going to help you. So these are the two YouTube channels that will help you start up a YouTube channel and grow it to a point where you can actually use it to earn money with your passion. So you actually monetize your passion with this particular method called movie reviews, guys. So you watch movies which you love and you review them on social media or on YouTube, and you earn money from them. It's very simple. I have something else to recommend for you. I've talked about different money making platforms on YouTube, so you can check out my other videos to know how other platforms can help you earn money online just with your smartphone.